Om Sri Mahapiriva Charanam. One day, a very reputed geologist happened to visit Kanchipuram to have darshan of Mahaswamigal. After enquiring about his family, Swamigal asked him if he would do him a favor. The geologist was overcome as he wondered what it was that he, a mere mortal, could help the Sakshat Devam with. He immediately agreed. Mahapiriva asked him if he knew about Kaladi. The geologist replied that even a young child knew that it was the birthplace of Adi Shankaracharya. Perivar then told him that the river Purna ran through that place and that Shankara's mother used to bathe in it every day. He then requested him to arrange for a diver to dive and take out sand from two different locations of the river Purna, presently called River Periyar. One location, he said, should be where the river Purna enters Kerala before it diverts into entering Kaladi, and the other location should be at Kaladi where the river makes a small U-turn and reaches Shankara's home itself. Swamigal asked him to use the technique of carbon dating to ascertain the age of the sand at these two locations. The geologist promised to return with the results at the earliest, overjoyed that he could actually carry out the wishes of Mahapiriva himself. The geologist performed the exercise as instructed by the Swamigal and returned to the madam. Periva was waiting for him with a beatific smile on his face. He asked him about the results. The geologist presented the reports and said that the sand taken from the first location where Purna enters Kerala yielded an age of being more than 100,000 years, whereas the sand from the second location in Kaladi near Adi Shankara's home was close to about 2,500 years. Perivar explained the results. He said that Adi Shankara's mother would bathe in the river every day. However, once due to her infirmities, she fainted on the way home. Shankara asked her to bathe henceforth in the water from the well, but she declined. Shankara, unable to convince his mother, entreated goddess Ganga through a song and requested her to follow his footsteps, Kal Adi, and flow near his ancestral house. No sooner did he do this than the Purna changed her course and started flowing just by his dwelling. His mother was overjoyed and continued her ablutions by the river for the rest of her life on earth. Periva explained that this was the reason behind the differences in the carbon dating results. The river entering Kerala is about 100,000 years old, but the change in course at Kaladi happened only after Adi Shankara's intervention. Thus, this confirmed that Adi Shankara was indeed born in the year 509 BC, which is 2500 years back. Jai Jai Shankar Harar Sankara, Mahapiriva Kadaksham Paripuranam.